Today, I would like to present you a new feature using which you can review your Airbnb guests just with one click. We all know how challenging it is to submit guest reviews for every reservation. We have now a solution for that. In Rentals United platform, you can go to the Guest Planner settings and navigate to the Airbnb Guest Reviews section. Here, you can create your own personalized positive review template. Guest rating is set to 5 by default, but you can add your own thank you note in the review message. For example, thank you for staying with us. Hope to see you again in the future. Once this is saved, when the reservation ends, you are going to receive an email with your predefined review template, and with one click here to send the review, you can submit the review. From the email, you can still create a review manually for guests who deserves a bespoke review. There are two tips while enabling the template. First of all, is that make sure that you are subscribed to the new message notifications so you are going to receive those emails. There is also an additional option over here. Tick this box to submit the review template automatically in case you do not rate the guest within 8 days after departure, which means that your predefined template will be used for auto creation of the review on the date 8 after the checkout. Once this is clicked, the automation will start working. Thanks to this, you will save a significant amount of time, and also you can easily increase the number of reviews you receive from your guests.